Latrine bill of quantities. New line. Stop. Site clearance, excavation and backfilling. New line. Bushes, undergrowth, trees less than 300 millimeters girth, tree stumps less than 100 millimeters diameter, rubbish and debris. Stop. Lump sum. Stop. Stripping turf and topsoil to depth of 300 millimeters, setting aside for later reinstatement. Square meters. Stop. Bulk excavation for pit, not exceeding 4 meters in depth, and setting aside for later reinstatement. Cubic meters. Stop. Blinding layer at base of excavation, 100 millimeters thick, 20 millimeter gravel. Square meters. Stop. Backfilling around pit, around blockwork sump as it is constructed, using 20 millimeter gravel to thickness of 0.5 meters around blockwork to underside of ground slab. Cubic meters. Backfilling to underside of ground slab between sides of excavation and gravel blanket using previously excavated material, compacting and forming embankment to pit and to underside of ground slab. Cubic meters. Stop. Reinstating of topsoil and turf to depth of 300 millimeters. Square meters. Disposal of spoil. Cubic meters. Stop. Blockwork 200 by 200 by 400, comprising cement to sand 1 to 12 in mortar. In mortar comprising cement to sand 1 to 4, 10 millimeters thick. New line. 2 courses of blockwork in header bond in circle of clear internal diameter 2 meters, backfilling as work proceeds. See item above. Square meters. New line. Two courses of blockwork in stretcher bond in circle of clear internal diameter 2 meters, every third perpen joint to be left unfilled. Stop. Unfilled perpen joints to be staggered. Stop. Square meters. Ten courses of blockwork in stretcher bond in circles of clear internal diameter varying from 2 meters to 1 meter at ground level to within 0.5 meters of underside of ground floor slab. Stop. Corbelling not to exceed 50 millimeters at each course. Stop. New line. Every third block to be cropped to suit reducing diameter of ring. Stop. Square meters. Top 0.5 meters to be in stretcher bond with all perpen joints filled. Square meters. Stop. Stub end of PVC pipe with right angle elbow to be built in as work proceeds. Item. Stop. Vertical PVC pipe, 2.7 meters long, attached to building at 1 meter centre to centres with fine mesh screen at top. Item. Stop. New line. Concrete 124 by volume, cement, sand, gravel with water cement ratio 0.55 weight for weight. Stop. Quantities for 1 cubic metre of concrete 307 kilograms of cement, 682 kilograms of sand, 1240 kilograms of gravel, and 175 litres of water. Open brackets, 1 kilogram, 50 kilogram bag of cement to 69 litres of sand to 140 litres of gravel and 28 litres of water will give 0.163 cubic metres of concrete. Close brackets. Cap for pit. New line. Precast concrete, circular, 1400 millimetres in diameter and 150 millimetres thick. New line. Reinforced 5x10 at 300 centre to centres each way, bottom, with rebars bobbed at one end. New line, ground floor slab, 7 metres by 7 metres by 150 millimetres thick, with outer 2 metres sloping downwards at 1 to 12. Stop. Circular hole, 1400 millimetres in diameter, over pit. Stop. Cubic metres. Stop. Screed to floor, 2.8 metres by 2.8 metres by 50 millimetres thick, in cement, sand, 1 to 6 screed. Square metres. Hardwood threshold 50 by 50, 0.75 metres. Item. Blockwork 100 by 200 by 400. As for pit. New line. External walls and internal screen wall to building. Height varying from 1.85 metres to 2.2 metres, with inclined top to gable end. Square metres. Stop. To include for cropping of top course of gable end walls. Stop. Roof including roof beams, purlins and roof covering, fixings and making watertight. Square metres. Stop. Treated hardwood door, 0.75 metres wide by 2 metres tall, with fan light above and with 200mm fan light above and 200mm gap at base. Include for frame, hinges, hasps and spring closer and tie back. Stop. Item. New line, render to outer walls, 20mm thick, in sand cement screed, 1 to 4. Painting of external walls in 3 colours. Square metres. Painting of internal walls in white, of unrendered internal walls in white. Square metres. Fixing of plaque, open brackets, free issue, close brackets, item. Stop.